Mostly of the time I found that friends are those who can understand your feelings more than a relative friend. The thing is, you should have a good friend to whom you can trust.
Sir Ta said that always friends comes in our difficult times. I found that sir, in my difficult time I never found any of my friends. Just I found only my relative friend because sir they are close to us and they also knows the secrets our secrets and they also try to solve that our problems.
He is the only person that in his speaking class he always talk about his relatives and relative friends, which always taunted by them, and they always started taunting him, and he always told us about them. So he is the person, and now he is choosing their relative friends. This is absolutely wrong.
In my difficult time, that I saw that my friend always helped me, but no one person in my relative come and help me.
Because I don't say if I said him our relative friend help us in our difficult time, but we feeling you feeling shame and you feel shame and you understand then my relative friend say to my own.
I just want to say to you that if we are telling our secrets to our family friends, you are saying we feel ashamed. Why we feel ashamed? Just because of this, they are the taunters, they always taunt us. That's why we are feeling shame. That's why we tell our secrets to our friends. If they won't taunt, then we can tell them also.
It is our mind mistake. We think about our relative friends, but it is wrong. Our relative friend is our best partner in our life because he is our relative friend. He help us in our difficult time. He is our blood friend.
Can you give an example of your any relative that helps you in your difficult time, in any kind of a difficult time?
My cousin is my best friend and he helped me in his brother marriage. Some boys fight us, and but my friends come in marriage, but they saw me and run away from me. But my relative friend help us and fight with my enemies and protect me.
My grandfather has died, so he has given some property to my father, but his relative friends catch the property of my father, and this problem is caused in some homes and sometimes. So this.
Our relatives are not same because if our relatives are not same, it's your relatives. It's your relatives, and if we have a property, then our friends they make us to spend our this property or our money to the other things that they want.
It's your negativity in your mind that you had find a friend that who is with you as to spend your property. No, it's your not. It's a negativity in your mind because sometimes it's happened with you that you have such a friend that who sometimes we all have money or the friend is that who take us with them and they would sometimes it's better that we have money or not, then they take us and eat us something. That is a friend. And you are saying that relatives are good. In which thing? When you are childhood, that the all were taunting at you. When you have nothing, when you have no knowledge, that was your relatives as well as your what we may say friend, relatives or friends. Their parents is now still jealousing from you. Why? Because they have not they don't want to see your progress. The person, that friend, can see your success unless your relatives will be jealous from you.
Some friends always now you said sometime in a difficult time he work with us, means sometime if our relatives, if we our friend, and if our as one example, if our means cousin
died in means 12 o'clock in PM. When we call the relatives or friends, we call the relatives because he go with us in hospital. We call relatives because of he is our blood, and he also your friend. Some friends are go to the Kabristan, sorry to say in Sindhi, and some friends, but relatives all come in our dead cousin because of his blood, in his blood. Therefore, friends is not work in difficult time, and relatives always work in difficult time because of like you are also a bond of your relatives. Your relative means you are also in your blood, means your father you born you. This is your blood. Why you say that some friends are good?
In my uncle's time, my uncle is Hyderabad, and there are many relatives, but no one kind of relative is come. My uncle is ill, but a friend is come and take him and go to the hospital.
You were saying that relatives are jealousy from me, but there are less in our. If we talk about my relative, there is no any kind of relative who jealous from us or who think that he should be. He should not progress. Everyone wants that our relative should be successful because it is our respect. It is the nation. It is our respect, nation of respect. And if you are saying that friends are good and friends means work at difficult time, you have received the story. Then two friends were going, and one friend climbed the tree. And I think, don't mind. You should be means if you are saying that friends are good, so it should be ashamed because a wolf giving you a lesson that do not keep the that friends which are bad, which do not come in difficult time.
We was talking about a wolf and a man friendship. So why you people are talking about the blood relationship and relatives? And our Islam also said that a Muslim and all Muslims are brother, and every person can be a friend. So why we are married to other caste, and why we became friends? Even in this class, we all are friends. We don't know about our parents and about our relatives, but we are friends, and we are good friends, and we have good relationship with each another. And you are talking about the wolf and a man. So this is a wrong concept. We can be a good friend, and relatives just taunt us. And if you become fail, they will come and just taunting on you. This is the bad thing. You should understand.
You were saying that in Islam, all are brothers, our friends, or everything. Means every Muslim is brother. Then relatives are also your brother. You are saying that if we are becoming fail, our relatives are taunting us, and this is whose benefit? If you are becoming fail, they are taunting you, and you are means keeping in your mind that he has taunted me. I have to work hard. If a friend is not taunting at you, he means wants that you should not be successful. So in other time you will be passed. That means this is the thing that if a relative is taunting at you, it's your benefit. Your means heart is saying that inshallah, in second time I have not to fail because I have to tell my relatives that what is a person. So this is means our benefit if they are taunting us.
You know that you say that, my dear friend, you said that when we have become a fail, our relative is starting taunting on us. It means they are jealousing. They are jealousing from our success. When we are they starting taunting on us, means that they are jealousing from us. And it's who are relatives, means whosoever not come in our difficult times is their relatives. whoso that you are in a difficult time, when you are get fail from your exams, from anywhere, or you are maybe your heart should be hurted that I am in difficult time, I am in depressed, that my own relatives, my own blood, you talk about the bloods, whosoever that taunting at you at your difficult time, whose is it your blood,
Yes.
is it your blood? And about friend, that whosoever will be just saying you should have to try again, it's your goal, you have to achieve. My dear friends, there would be there that relative, if you talk about the relatives that they taunting at you, it means that they are with you. No brother, they are just hurting you, and they at the time when you will become a success, that are relatives that who will be saying you sir. When you would become a success, it means at a difficult time they would be just like a statue, nothing else, and they would be just starting hurting you.
That any relative, if he is taunting at us, means he is jealousing. If your relative is jealousing with you, then if you are becoming fail, he can encourage you. He will say that, okay, you are not using mobile, you are doing this thing, you are working hard. So this means that he is jealousing. If he is taunting, then how he is jealousing? Means he is encouraging you. But if you are saying that friend is good, I have seen a movie. I think it is Three Idiot or another movie. There was one friend who became fast and one friend became fail. The friend who became fail, he said that I am not unhappy that I am fail, but I am sad because my friend became fast. Then why this is
He is my friend.
Friend.
He's also saying he's
Also
friend. Not
friend.
like
I am
friend.
saying that
Three
friend.
idiots, the three are the friends.
Friends
Don't tell me.
with both.
No,
And,
then why he said that my friend became fast? He should also be fail. If he then friend, if
He
he
wants
said
to
that-
say
So
that
he didn't.
he is willing to say, he wanted to say, he said that फेल हो इतना दुख नहीं होता जब दोस्त पास हो जाए उससे ज्यादा दुख होता
Yes, sir, I am saying this.
Yes, sir.
he is saying that
But sir, after that, they were also with them.
After
Let
that,
them leave their friendship. Let all.
but if the relatives are taunting us, they are becoming separate from us. They are also with us.
Sir, if they left their friendship, then we can say that yeah, it's right. But
Friendship,
at the
they
last,
leave
they all
friendship or
were.
not.
Because of the sir, one accident. Because of one accident, they leave their relationship, but they miss them with by their heart and by their
And sir,
hands.
he left his life. He left his
That
life
is
for his
also
friend.
it,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
For his
They are
friend, he
not
left his
also being
life.
separate.
But he left his
It's
life
about
for
our
his
friend talking.
Why did he say because are successful? I am not saying that they are became together.
No,
Why did he
no,
say that
no.
they
Okay,
should
let's
be
hear.
apart?
Okay.
Said to some students are some friends are jealousy, but they are every friends are not same. Example of my one day two boys fight with me, so I will go my relative house and friend relative house and same two boys are fighting with me. So come, so he did say me, what will be you fight with, you can handle this. So I will go. I was go on my friend's house. So I say the situation of my say a friend. So the friends go upstairs and leke two piece of woods and give it me and we should go and beat.
Mr. Yasir said that if we become a failure and our relatives say us and taunting us and say try again and again, my dear fellow, if you you take example of CSS exams, if you are in a CSS exam and you have lost attempt, but you don't are failed in CSS exam and your relatives come to your home and say you that try and you hard work for CSS exam but you don't pass this and when your relatives say you that why you try and that you pass another exam and so sometimes man and who become fail in CSS exam, they can suicide.
Let his card his his father property. Sir, after the father, the property is about to son, but he is saying that his father related card that property. It is a major case that his father should go towards the court and say and fight the case. Sir, but he is saying that the relatives are cutting their property. Sir,
Don't tell us the solution, just tell us.
Okay.
Sir, his father is present. Why their relative card his father's property? His father has to go to court, sir.
Faraz is saying sometimes our relative friends are jealous with us, but sir, when you make a good relationship with him, they also help you in difficult time. I am seeing you with your cousins outside, and you are also making videos with your cousins, and you are saying they are jealous with your success. Why?
Sir, there is no any kinds of a video with my cousin. Go and find the TikTok. It's challenge for him, sir.
He made his videos with his friends.
Yes, I accept that I had make video with friend. If they find with a cousin or such like a cousin, then I will give him a chutney whatsoever he want. Chutney.
Very sorry. Okay, it's over.